Am I going to regret doing this video? Probably. Merry Christmas, everybody. So I am going to do a full face of Christmassy kind of party makeup, and I thought it would be really fun to get James to narrate my makeup routine because he does not know anything about makeup. Well, he knows a little bit, but really not much. If you like this video and you want to subscribe, that would be great. Press that subscribe button down below, turn on notifications, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and without further ado, let's just hand over to my lovely delight of a boyfriend, James. Enjoy.
And here I am. Oh, what is this? What? Oh, okay. So honey dew. Oh, that doesn't look like honey. Ugh. Right, slap right over the forehead, slap it onto the chin and rub it all in. Yeah, rub it right, yep. Foundation, Anastasia. So big words. Put a little bit of drops in one on my finger. Now I'm going to start, this is going really fast. I'm starting to, now I've got a brush. I've got a brush. Now I start blending it all in. Oh, okay, maybe not. And now now we're moving on. Moving on with a little bit of concealer straight underneath those eyes. Yeah, we love that. A bit on nose, a little bit of dot. Right, one there, and another one there. Now we get this egg, and we start slapping the egg around our face. And if you keep going and slapping in all this egg around your face, somehow it all blends in. So if you've got eggs at home, go grab it. And we're having a little bit of a wiggle, something quite good. And, what's this? Oh, okay. Right, okay, slap that all over your eyebrows and underneath and start powdering your face. And with something that's purple and, okay. You start rubbing it all, blending everything in. Okay, right. Oh, cheerleader. Benefit, yeah, go on, Benefit. Hoolah! Right, start doing all them contouring and stuff. Now we've got, we're using a lot of brushes, so make sure you've got a lot of brushes at home. Oh, we like that one. Yeah, now we're moving on. Oh, I can see that shine. Oh, and on the nose, and right at the end, and we're having still a little bit of jiggle. Yeah, we love that. She's obviously got at least Thrift Shop by Macklemore in her head. Now she's got something to do for her eyebrows. I don't know what, but it's to do. Oh, and here we go. Yep. Yeah, and we got this eyebrow pencil, which we saw get released. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, yeah, drawing it in like it's GCSE art. Now we're pricking it on our face. Right. Oh, don't you start giving the middle finger. Oh, that's to me, isn't it? Oh, someone's on Santa's naughty list now. By Twee, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. It's all by Twee. That's nice. Oh, wow, we love that. Apparently, yeah, you go, Twee. Well done. We're going for a brown. Ooh, it's a bit. Ooh, okay. Ooh, rubbing it in. Ooh, make it all blend. That's looking quite nice. I like that. Use the brush it all in. Make sure you've got a range of colours. And make sure you do underneath your eye as well. Ooh, shadowy. I like that. And a little bit of silver. Ooh. A little bit of glisten. I like that. Ooh, okay. Bit of more glitter. You can never have enough glitter. As you can see, Soph loves it. She loves a bit of glitter. And apparently she's liking a lot of glitter as she's carrying on. And this is probably the most lengthiest piece of the video, applying the glitter on. I mean, yeah, you go, Soph. Well done. Now we've got this black board marker going across our eyes. I use them daily. A nice board marker across the eye. Yeah, and what else? What's this? Oh, it's mascara, yeah. Yeah, rub a little, not rub, like proper slap a bit on in your eyebrows to make them pop. And is that a pencil? Why are you using a colouring pencil? Oh, and here we go. Yeah, bringing out that Soph lipstick. We got to do a little bit of plugging for Christmas if you all... Oh, yeah. I like it. I like that look. It looks really nice. And bing, yeah. Goodbye.